This is the best mystery box yet. Hey guys, it's Jen of All Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Another unboxing video by me. Alrighty, so today I am finally unboxing. This is the Deluxe Halloween mystery box from Jeffree Star. I'm gonna go with Deluxe. It's the middle-sized one. So here it is. I finally got it in the mail, and we're gonna take a look and see what is in here. So also, if you can clearly see that I have already bleached my roots, so that means my next video will be my hair color video, which I'm super excited about. Still haven't figured out exactly how I'm gonna do it, but we'll see how that goes. Also, I will be taking, I decided to not do unboxing videos very much anymore on my channel. They just don't seem to be getting the views that I would like. It's just not the best thing on my channel, so just like the makeup videos, I will be taking out unboxing videos, except for Jeffree Star, like mystery boxes, FabFitFun, like newer things. If I'm trying it for the first time, I will do that. Or if there's any boxes that you guys want me to continue to do, leave a link below. I will also be doing my Sip Spy because I do get sent that as PR, so I will be getting that. I will still be doing the unboxing on those as well, but Boxycharm, Allure, Ipsy, all that will be getting cut out unless it is requested. So anyways, let's get into this box and see what we have. So this box was the $75, and this is what's in it. So I think we're supposed to be getting 8 items, and they did ask me my shirt size, which kind of sucks because it only went up to large and I need an extra large, but I'm assuming that there is a shirt or something like that in here as well. So nice black tissue paper. The very first thing I'm seeing on top is this. So I'm seeing a lot of orange and definitely sticking with the Halloween theme, Mr. Jeffree Star, so that's awesome. We have the Skin Frost right here. And I believe this is the pressed one, which I've been wanting to try and I haven't done that yet. I did get a liquid one in my last mystery box unboxing with his, which if you didn't see a few months ago, check it out. I will leave it up here linked in the iCards or at the end of this video. So this is what it looks like. This is called Mystery Frost, and it's got the little ghost for Halloween, and it is orange and black, so that is really interesting. Let's give it a swatch and see. So it's kind of like a brown gold kind of color. I prefer the icy like white ones, but let's see. It's definitely shimmery, so let's do it like this. I don't know how well that matches, but we're just gonna try it anyway. Okay, there you go, so that is okay. All right, next we have the gloss. This one is called Dirty Royalty, and it's purple. How awesome is that? All right, so this is, it says gloss, but I'm not seeing, it looks like the liquid matte lipsticks. It doesn't look like it's very sparkly. There's not a lot of the glitter flecks in it like with the other glosses. So this is looking like it is just a straight up gloss. It's like a little bit of pigment with the lavender kind of tint to it. So that is very, very pretty. I think that'll go really good over my purple lipstick that I did. I got the purple Urkel when that was released with Jawbreaker, and I think this will go really good over top of it. All right, so we have 2 more lip products. So let's open this one. This is called Jawbreaker, and I'm pretty sure I already have this one. Let's take a look. Yes, this is the one I also bought when Jawbreaker came out, so that is what that looks like. Very pretty. So I will be giving this away or putting it in a giveaway or giving it to someone. All right, and then our next one is called Bronze Blood. We always do seem to get a lot of lip products in these mystery boxes, which is fine with me. All right, and this is a metallic color, it looks like. Again, came out with the Jawbreaker collection, so it is very new product, so that's awesome. I think last time we got some of the older launches, but this is definitely some of the newer products. So let's take a swatch on that. Wow, that's pretty. Alright, so that is a gold metallic color, and these are eye safe, so I think that will make a really good eyeshadow or eye kind of color as well, so that could definitely be an option. So there is that one. Alright, I did get another liquid frost. Last time I got the peach, some kind of peach one. I've used it a few times. It's not really one that I go to a lot, but this one is called Heat Wave. Oh my gosh, that is so dark. Wow. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Alright, I feel like if you are really tan or if you have a darker skin tone, this would be perfect for you. I don't think I'm ever tan enough that I would be able to use this. Let's see. Oh my gosh, like where would you put that? That's insane. Now it matches really good with the bronze lipstick, so that's good. Can you imagine that on my face? I don't know, we will see. If anyone is interested in that, just comment below and let me know if that's something that you would wear, and I might put that in a giveaway. I do have one coming up. We're getting close to 2K. We're getting close to it. Okay, so next we have, I've seen other unboxings. Do you know what this is? Oh my gosh. Okay, again with the green paper, so you know it came with the Jawbreaker collection. This is the mini breaker. And I actually wanted to buy it for when it launched, but I did not. So super happy to get that. Now the cool thing about this is there are colors that are in this that are not in the original Jawbreaker palette. So that's a cool thing about it. Lots of purple tones. Some gold again to go with the other gold items that I got in here. That is beautiful. Okay. I have 2 more items. I think this is the best unboxing for mystery boxes that he's done. Last time we also got a pop socket, which I don't think should have been included. This definitely makes up for it. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is a shirt. Now I've been wanting to try again his clothes and his tracksuits and stuff, but this is definitely awesome. And again, I got it in large because extra large was not an option, so we'll see how it actually fits. But that is what it looks like. Definitely sticking with the Halloween colors. Okay. Do you guys know what this is? Okay, so it looks like a really big palette, but it's a mirror, look, oh my gosh. Okay, so literally I got everything I've ever been wanting to try from him. How freaking awesome, and it is orange and everything is orange and it's sticking with the Halloween theme. How freaking cool. Alrighty, so welcome back to my channel. I don't know how he does it. Okay, anyways, let's do this. Let's do a recap. Let's go over all of this amazing awesomeness that I just got, okay? So we got the orange star mirror. How freaking awesome is that? We got that, and we got the shirt and the liquid frost and the purple gloss, which is awesome, the bronze lipstick, which is awesome. That's 4 or 5 things. And then, is it 6 things? Oh, hold on a second. Oh, Jawbreaker and the skin frost and the mini breaker. So we got a palette, we got the mirror, we got the shirt, we got the, like, everything possible. If you've ever wanted Jeffree Star, like, this is it. This is everything. Full face look right here. Your highlighter, your eyeshadow, your lipstick, your mirror to use it. Yes. Alrighty, so I hope you guys liked the video. I did not do the whole retail value of it, but I absolutely can tell you it was well worth the $75, well over the $75 for the retail value. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you got the same things or what you did get in your box and if it was as good as mine, because mine is amazing. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Hair coloring. Let's go. Okay, bye.